Bitcoin, 101 Frequently Asked Questions Part 7, question numbers 61 to 70, www.learnbysel.com.
61. If every transaction is broadcast via the network, does Bitcoin scale? Is Bitcoin primarily a competitor to card payment networks? Where does the value of Bitcoin stem from? What backs up Bitcoin? 65. Won't loss of wallets and the finite amount of Bitcoins create excessive deflation, destroying Bitcoin? 66. What if someone creates a new blockchain, or a new digital currency that renders Bitcoin obsolete? Is Bitcoin open to value manipulation? Why the Bitcoin difficulty is set to 10 minutes per block? 69. Do I have to wait until my transactions are confirmed in order to buy or sell things with Bitcoin? I was sent some Bitcoins and they haven't arrived yet. Where are they?